It's a moment, it's a heartbeat, it's the sound of change. Two faces in the spotlight, history's rearranged. One holds the past in a heart and hand, the other lifts a torch for a promised land. And we're standing here, divided lines, the future's written between the signs. We're at the crossroads, it's do or die. Voices rising to the midnight sky, red and blue in the starlit dust. Where shadows break and visions rust. The choice is ours, it's time to see what kind of country we'll choose to be. One side saying build the wall, bring it back, echoes of the past in a crimson track. The other side calls for something new, changing the colors of red, white and blue. Dreams collide like tides of steel, and every heart can feel what's real. Red and blue in the starlit dust, where shadows break and visions rust. The choice is ours, it's time to see what kind of country we'll choose to be. Oh, there's freedom in the winds tonight, but the flags and tears caught in the fight. Two roads before us paved with pride, one unbroken, the other tried. We're at the crossroads, it's do or die. Voices rising to the midnight sky, red and blue in the starlit dust. The shadows break and visions rust. The choice is ours, it's time to see what kind of country we'll choose to be. So let the ballots fall like stars through space, and may our children see the choice we face. For every vote's a voice, a cry, a plea of who we are and who we'll be. Of who we are, who will be, of who we are, we'll choose to be.